Hello there, this is Elson Cred with Before Semicolon, and in this video I'm going to quickly explain when to use section, article, and div tags when structuring your HTML page. As you might know, these tags are used to group content together, but section and article have different requirements than div. One thing that tells me that I should pick between section and article is the heading flag, meaning if the content that I'm grouping has a title. Another flag is how these contents make sense together. For example, if I have a title that is being described by the paragraph and emphasized with a video or image, it means that they belong together. And different than section, article has one more requirement, and it's simply that the content is a standalone content. This means that whatever I put inside an article tag should make sense regardless of the rest of the content of the site or the site itself. When it comes to div, if nothing is raised in the flags I just spoke of, that means you can use a div tag. For example, grouping a bunch of links. If we quickly jump to some websites out there, for example Firefox site, you can notice that it is easily divided into parts, and all these parts have title, like you can see. Because these parts help give sense to the page, they are not standalone content, and automatically tells me that I should use a section tag. If we check this another site where we have a job post, I can easily remove this post and put in a job seek site like Indeed.com or Monster.com, and they will still make sense. They don't need the rest of the sites to make sense like in the previous example. And here I should definitely use an article tag. Another places you can use articles are comments, for example. Semantics is huge when structuring a site. It helps with SEO, makes it easy to implement CSS styles, and gives your site a whole lot of sense even without styling it. Once again, thanks for watching. See you in another video.